So in today's video, we're going to be trying to sublimate on this Dollar Tree Bible. Let's see if it works. I'm not quite sure if it will work, but we're going to be sublimating onto it. So if you want to see if it actually works, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and Cricut videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and comment down below and let me know that you're new and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. And let's jump right into the video, guys. For this video, we're going to use the Dollar Tree Bibles, heat tape, heat gloves, our design, and some butcher paper. Some laminate sheets. You want to make sure that your laminate doesn't have any lint on it, as well as your Bible, which it shouldn't because it's coming straight out of plastic. So I'm gonna turn my Bible. I'm gonna cut my laminate sheet a little bit, and I'm gonna save it for another project. And then I'm going to take some butcher paper and we're going to put it underneath our Bible and our laminate. Take some butcher paper on top and we're going to press it for 10 seconds. I'm going to put a piece of cardstock behind the lid just to help it flatten out and just to protect the pages behind it a little bit. So I think I'm going to take some heat tape and just tape down this laminate. So I'm going to take my design. This is the design I chose for this. I'm just going to take it. It should be fine. I added enough bleeding, so it should be fine. So I'm just gonna tape it down. Okay, so I'm taping it down. And then I'm going to add butcher paper and we're going to press it at 350 degrees for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to lift it up gently. And we're going to check to see if that was enough. You can see the design through it. Take my butcher paper out and I'm putting heat gloves and I'm going to lift one corner just to see. I think I'm going to press it a little bit longer. It looks fine, but I'm just going to give it a little, just maybe 10 more seconds or so. Okay, lift it slowly. That's a lot better. That is a lot better. That is so cute. That is so cute. So cute. So we're going to let this cool down and then we're going to cut the laminate all around it, which shouldn't be difficult to do. And for like the pieces that won't, you know, it's harder to cut, just take your heat press and you can just